Hi guys, and welcome back to Amy's Phonetic Corner. My name is Patrick, and I'm an English language teacher. I teach phonetics, vocabulary, pronunciation, and common English expressions. In today's video, I've got a vocabulary lesson for you. Today we're going to talk about idioms, my favorite part of English language. So we're going to talk about weather-related idioms, focusing on the word storm. We all know that weather words come up a lot in English idioms. But before that, let's find out what idioms are. Idioms are phrases or expressions that have a meaning different from the literal meanings of the words in them. For an example, the idiom, "it's raining cats and dogs," means it's raining heavily. It does not mean that animals are falling from the sky. Examples of weather words that will be used today are storm, lightning, and thunder. Often, weather words are used in negative contexts or situations, but sometimes it can be used in positive contexts and situations too. In today's video, I put together some idioms for us to learn, and to make it fun and engaging, I have added fun examples, sentences example, using my name, Emmy. Number one is the calm before the storm. This means a peaceful period before a time of great activity or noise. An example, Amy enjoyed the quiet afternoon, knowing it was a calm before the storm of examination preparations. Number two is the weird phrase, the perfect storm, which refers to a very bad situation caused by many bad things happening at the same time. An example, it was a perfect storm of bad luck. Amy forgot her umbrella, her phone battery died, and it started raining heavily. Number three is a storm in a teacup. Or if you're more American, you can say a storm in a teapot. But however, it refers to a situation in which a lot of people express great anger over a matter that is not important. An example, don't worry about Amy's comment, it's just a storm in a teacup. Number four is the idiom, a port in a storm. Now this means that when you're in a difficult situation, you will accept anything that seems helpful, whether it is inappropriate or not ideal. An example, Amy's phone battery died and she had to use her friend's phone as a port in a storm to call home. However, not all weather idioms are negative, like I mentioned at the beginning of the lesson. Now, some are also positive. That leads us on to number five, which is to do something up the storm. Now, to do something up the storm means to do it with great energy or skill. An example, Amy baked up the storm for her birthday celebration, making cakes, cookies, and pies. Now, number six is to take someone or something by storm. If someone takes someone or something by storm, it means they suddenly become extremely successful in a particular area. An example, Amy's first YouTube video took the audience by storm with engaging phonetic lessons. We can't talk about storm idioms without mentioning the words lightning and thunder. So that leads us on to number seven, which is face like thunder. If someone has a face like thunder, it means they're very angry or upset. An example, Amy walked into the room with a face like thunder after losing her notes. Number eight is greased lightning. Now, you know how lightning is already fast, and if you grease it, it becomes very extremely fast. But that doesn't mean that you can grease lightning. Remember, we're talking about idioms, and the meaning of the words are different from the literal meanings. Now, an example, Amy had to finish her phonetic script like greased lightning to meet her deadline. Right, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new. Are there any more weather idioms you know? Mention them in the comment section. Did you like this video? Leave a comment in the comment section. And please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel at Amy's Phonetic Corner, share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to connect with me on all of my social medias. I've got my Instagram at Learn English with Amy. I've got my Facebook at Patrick, and I will see you soon for another lesson. Mwah. Bye.